Want a tasty burger that's good for you too? Imagine biting into a burger that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. You can make it happen right in your kitchen. No need to rely on fast food when you can create something amazing at home. Forget greasy takeout. We're making a juicy, flavorful chicken burger from scratch. It's all about using fresh, wholesome ingredients. It's easier than you think and way more satisfying. Plus, you get to control exactly what goes into your meal. Get ready for a fun cooking adventure. Cooking together can be a great way to bond with family or friends. This recipe is all about fresh ingredients and simple steps. You'll be using vibrant vegetables and aromatic herbs to elevate the flavors. You'll be amazed how quickly a few basic things transform into a mouth-watering meal. Let's get started. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a restaurant-quality burger right at home. Before we start cooking, gather your ingredients. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth cooking experience. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Here's what you'll need to make the juiciest chicken burgers you've ever tasted. For the chicken patties, you'll need ground chicken, breadcrumbs, plain or seasoned, 1 egg, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, salt and pepper. These ingredients will form the base of your burger patties. Don't forget to add your favorite herbs and spices. This is where you can get creative and add flavors that you love. Think about adding paprika, cumin, or even a bit of chili powder for a kick. For serving, grab some fresh burger buns, lettuce leaves, and any other greens you prefer. The freshness of the buns and lettuce will complement the juicy chicken patties perfectly. Don't forget the classic toppings like tomato slices and onion rings. These add a nice crunch and freshness to your burger. And of course, your favorite burger sauce. Whether it's ketchup, mustard, mayo, or a special homemade sauce, it will add that extra layer of flavor. Remember, you can customize your burger with any toppings you like. Cheese, pickles, jalapenos, or even a fried egg can make your burger unique. Get creative and add your personal touch. The best part about making burgers at home is that you can experiment and find the perfect combination that suits your taste. Now comes the fun part, making the chicken patties. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken, breadcrumbs, egg, chopped onion, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and your chosen herbs and spices. Mix everything well with clean hands. The mixture should be combined but not overworked. Divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them into patties. Begin by heating a little oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot enough before adding the patties, as this will help them cook evenly and develop a nice crispy exterior. Carefully place the chicken patties in the pan, making sure they're not crowded. Overcrowding the pan can cause the patties to steam rather than fry, which will affect their texture and flavor. Cook the patties for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Flip them gently to ensure they cook evenly. You're looking for a golden brown color and a crispy texture on the outside, while the inside should be fully cooked. To check for doneness, use a meat thermometer. This is the most reliable way to ensure your chicken patties are cooked through without being overdone. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the chicken is safe to eat and has reached the proper level of doneness. Once cooked, remove the patties from the pan and set them aside. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the patties more flavorful and juicy. While the patties are cooking, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a nice texture and enhances the overall flavor. Now let's assemble. Place a cooked chicken patty on the bottom bun. Top it with lettuce, tomato, onion rings, and your favorite burger sauce. Don't be shy with the toppings. Pile them high. Finish it off with the top bun, and your homemade chicken burger is ready to devour. Congratulations! You've just made a delicious and healthy chicken burger at home. It's packed with protein, lower in fat than traditional beef burgers, and bursting with flavor. This recipe is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with different herbs, spices and toppings to create your own signature burger. Enjoy the process and savor every bite of your homemade masterpiece.